Alright, y'all, welcome back. It's dinner time once again, and tonight we are going to make a super easy chicken and dumplings. We're going to use biscuits for the dumplings, and we got some already pulled chicken for the chicken. And we're going to make it lower sodium because, you know, we're using the chicken broth, and that's got lots of sodium in it. So we got the low sodium cream of chicken. We're going to use some carrots and some Irish butter. So yummy, yummy, stay tuned. Plus lots of pepper. So we got a quarter stick of that Irish butter in here melting away. And we're going to add our carrots. Carrot chips. We're not going to cut them or nothing because this is an easy meal. I'm trying to be lazy. Alright, we're going to saute that up and work on something else. Oh, we're going to add our low sodium chicken broth. The whole thing. This is 48 ounces. This is the Swanson's brand, if you want to know. It's all going in there. ASMR, hello. Let's go. Let's go. This takes longer than I thought. Let's go. Broth. Anyway, okay. It's 33% less sodium, folks. Chicken broth. Yay. Finally. Okay, now over here we got 2 cans of the unsalted. Now if you want to add salt later, that's all up to you, but we're trying to cut back on some salt. So unsalted cream of chicken soup. So yay. Yeah, 1. Should have just made a video with these weird noises. Alright, there's 1. And then 2. Ah, and it's on my hand. It's okay. Alright, now we want to go and add the rest of that stick of butter up in there. So, yay. Let that heat up. Alright. Okay, now goes in our pulled chicken. To that, we're going to add some poultry seasoning. And also black pepper. Lots and lots and lots of pepper. Yay, we love pepper. It's good for you. Helps you absorb the good stuff. Pepper, 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 pepper.
Oh, there's certainly too much pepper in that soup.
Stir that around and wait for it to start coming to a boil. When it starts to come to a boil, we're going to start dropping them biscuits in there one at a time. To get them all up in there, folks. Just keep going. We used 2 cans. I was going to use just 1, but I figured go for 2. And we ain't got to cook nothing for a couple days. And 2 will fit in here, I'm pretty sure. It's been a while since I made this, so hopefully I didn't forget how. So again, this was we sauteed some carrots with a quarter stick of that Irish butter in the beginning. And then we added 48 ounces of low sodium chicken broth. And then 2 cans of the low sodium cream of chicken soup. And we added our chicken and our poultry seasoning. And lots of pepper. Brought that up to a boil. And now we're adding our biscuits, which we quartered into 4, well, you know I quartered it, 4 pieces. It's 4 pieces for each biscuit. Alright, so now we got them all in there. We're going to stir it just slightly. Don't go crazy. And then what you want to do is let these continue to boil for about 3 minutes, uncovered. And then once that happens, we'll be back. So these have been in there boiling up for about 3 minutes. We're gonna turn this heat down to low. We're just gonna put the lid on this, let this simmer on the stove for a couple minutes, and then it'll be ready to go, folks. Alright, there we go, folks. It's time to eat. Let's put some in a bowl. It smells so good. I wish you could smell this, folks. It smells yummy, but lots of pepper. We love pepper. Yay! Alright, Chevy's getting some. Does it smell good? What's it smell like?
Pepper.
Pepper? Shut up. It smells yummy. Don't let him lie to you. We love pepper. What time is it? It's time to slam. Let's see. It looks yummy. Well, I'm going to enjoy that so much. You guys should try it. Eat it. Let me know. Comment below. See you later. Bye. Please, sir, can I have some more?
No soup for you.
Oh,
All right.
okay. Thank you.
That's it.